AI influencers are here, and they're taking over the internet in a way no one expected. Today, we are diving deep into one of the wildest trends I've seen online lately. And let me tell you, it's low-key terrifying. You know why? Because these influencers look so real, most people can't even tell they're fake. They're out here doing everything from tutorials, promoting affiliate links, running dropshipping and e-commerce brands. And of course, some people are even using them to scam others out of their hard-earned money.
Thank you. Now we're both outside glowing like summer never left. And the best part? Nivea just gets our skin, every shade of it. We don't chase trends, we walk our own runway. And when you feel good in your skin, that's the real flex.
Now here's the kicker. This lady you just saw isn't real. Every single scene of them is AI generated, and these things are going viral. We're talking millions of views. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to tell the difference between real and AI influencers, how these digital personalities are being created, and most importantly, how people are turning them into cash machines. And the crazy part? Anyone can get in on this. I mean, even you. Hey everyone, it's your girl Christine, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the Trends community. I just noticed we've got some fresh faces joining us, and I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, we focus on realistic ways to make money, identifying trends, and sharing strategies to help you grow your business and boost your productivity. And around here, every voice counts. Now, like I was saying, this is truly next level for anyone trying to break into content creation without upfront costs, okay? The step-by-step process from building a hyper-realistic AI microinfluencer to producing consistent branded content using AI-generated video and voice is not only accessible, it's scalable. So you don't even need to be a tech genius or spend thousands of dollars to get started, okay? This is the most scalable, low-barrier side hustle I've seen in a while, and I'm here to break it all down for you, step by step. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Check this out. There's a TikTok channel I've been watching that made over $3,000 in less than a month just by promoting an affiliate product in the health niche using an AI-generated influencer. And this right here, their highest performing video got over 1 million views, all with a completely fake person reviewing and recommending the product. Now, that right there should give you a glimpse of what's possible. With an AI influencer, you could launch a podcast or YouTube channel without showing your face, build a personal brand, even a fictional one, promote affiliate offers or sell digital products, create content in multiple languages or voices, and basically become whoever you want while keeping your privacy intact, okay? The possibilities are endless. But before we proceed with the tools and creation process, let's cover some quick ways to spot an AI-generated video. Because let's be real, it's getting harder every day. First tip, watch the hands. They're often the biggest giveaway. You'll notice they might be a bit off, too long, too short, or moving in unnatural ways. Sometimes using free TTS also give it away. Next, look at the mouth. If it's not syncing perfectly with the voice, or moves awkwardly when eating or talking, that's another big red flag. AI struggles to perfectly mimic those micro-expressions we all have. So now that you know what to look out for, right? It'd be nice to put these flaws into consideration when making an AI-generated video or similar content, so your final result feels more natural and professional. And here is the big one. I recently started a brand new TikTok account. No followers, no promo, nobody knew it was me, okay? I posted only AI-generated videos, and within 30 days, I hit 10,000 followers, got monetized. And you know it is quite easy to get followers on TikTok, right? The secret to this success? A solid content strategy, consistent posting, and leveraging trending topics in a unique voice. Plus, the best part is, I didn't even need to appear on camera even once. Now let's talk about one of the best tools out there right now, Google Veo3 model. This platform lets you generate AI videos just by entering a prompt. It's accessible through several video generation tools and apps, okay? All you need to do is describe what you want, and Veo3 will bring it to life in just a few minutes. Now, there is one catch. Veo3 only creates 8-second clips at a time. But don't worry, that's not a deal breaker, okay? Once you generate your first 8-second scene, you can easily use the extend feature to add more scenes. That way, you can build a full video for TikTok, IG, YouTube Shorts, whatever platform you're on. And the best part? The character stays consistent across all scenes, so it kind of feels seamless. Anyway, either Google Flow or Gemini works perfectly. Personally, I use Flow to create my content. It gives more creative control and higher quality results. Now, to get started, head over to labs.google and click on Flow. Sign in and follow the prompts. It's super easy. I've dropped the link in the description box for you, okay? And here is the Flow interface. To be transparent with you, Veo3 is not free, okay? You'll need a pro account. But the good news is they offer a 1-month free trial. And honestly, if you end up monetizing your content, that small investment pays for itself really quickly, okay? Now, depending on the style of video I want, whether it's a marketing promo or a motivational message, I typically switch between different apps. For example, when I'm promoting affiliate offers or physical products, I use HeyGen. It's super realistic and now adds B-rolls automatically, making the video feel more dynamic and polished. And best of all, they offer a free-for-life account, so you can start without spending a dime. I thought I could let you know. But for this tutorial, we'll focus on Veo3, since it offers a 1-month free trial, and you can really take advantage of that, okay? So, you want to consider getting a Google One Pro account. It gives you access to Gemini app, Flow, which also gives you access to their AI filmmaking tool for cinematic storytelling, including Whisk, Notebook LLM, and all of that. So basically, it's the full Google AI suite bundled together. Worth it if you're going all in on content creation, okay? Once your Veo3 account is set up, you'll need good prompts, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. It's free and honestly, it's your secret weapon. Let me show you how it works real quick. So let's say I'm creating an AI UGC TikTok influencer. I'd ask ChatGPT something like, I'm creating a new AI UGC TikTok account. The character is a mid-30s African-American woman in a casual vlog-style setting. Please generate a detailed prompt I can use with Google Veo3 to create an 8-second video recommending a coloring book. It should feel authentic, natural lighting, and typical phone camera quality. And that's it. Very basic. Hit enter and let ChatGPT give us a full detailed prompt. And with just this prompt, you copy it and paste it into Veo3, hit enter, and boom. In under a minute, your video is ready. Whether it's beauty tips, motivation, affiliate product reviews, or educational content, you can use this method to create it all. Now go ahead and head over to Flow, paste in your prompt, and use the Enter Lab. Wait for it, it only takes a moment. You'll notice it usually generates 2 outputs, but I recommend setting it to just one to save your tokens or credits.
If you're looking for a fun way to unwind, I've been loving this coloring book lately. It's such a great way to relax after a long day.
Nice one, right? You'll see that both versions feature the same woman saying the same thing, but with slightly different styles. That's the beauty of it. I will go with the video on my left side, better I guess. And now let me show you what's possible with just a few clicks. Click on the Add Scene button, then switch to Screen Builder to insert a new scene, okay? And here's where you need to pay close attention. I'm going to drag the playhead to the end of the current video frame, then click the plus sign and choose Extend. And here it says, what should happen next? I'll just input something simple and random for this demo. Hit enter, but before that, make sure to switch to Veo2. Wait a few seconds, and just like that, our next scene is ready. Beautiful. There is more you can do, okay? And here's another powerful trick I want to show you. If you want to keep the story going, use the frame to video feature. You can upload a screenshot of any image you want to use in the next scene. But for now, I'm just going to grab a frame straight from the current video. That could be anything, okay? Just make sure you're using the Veo3 model for this part. Type in what you want the AI to say, then wait a few seconds, and here you go.
The link in my bio and get a copy for yourself or your loved ones and watch me color the book in the next video.
Another smooth transition with the same character. Beautiful, right? The truth is, with AI, your imagination is the only limit. So you got to be creative. And with this approach, you can literally market any product. The AI avatar can hold your product, speak directly to your audience, and say exactly what you want it to say.
If you're looking for a fun way to unwind, I've been loving this coloring book lately. It's such a great way to relax after a long day.
Click the link in my bio and get a copy for yourself or your loved ones and watch me color the book in the next video.
And as you just saw, even when we only used a screenshot from a previous scene, the consistency in the character still remained intact. It's that smart. Now here's the exciting part. You can use this same strategy to create content in any niche. I tested another video with an African AI woman recommending some herbal leaf to people. I gave ChatGPT a detailed prompt, it did the needful, then I pasted it into Veo3, and within minutes I had a powerful, realistic video.
Hi, I'm Mama Amina. These fresh moringa leaves are full of goodness. I love to dry them for tea.
Great, right? This is how you create an AI influencer from scratch. It's not magic, okay? So, if you're planning to grow a TikTok channel with this, here's my advice. Start by uploading 8-second clips daily. You can go longer, just drag the playhead to the end of your scene and hit the extend button, as showed earlier. And yes, you can go viral with this, okay? People are already doing it. It takes time, a bit of strategy, and consistency, but it works. And how do I even know this? I've seen it with my own channels. I've gained followers, landed brand deals, and even got monetized without showing my face once. So go ahead, try it out. Let me know how it works for you. If you land a brand deal, if your video goes viral, or if you grow your audience, come back and drop it in the comments. I want to hear your wins. Until next time, good luck, stay consistent, and peace out.